Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw Chibi Godzilla from Chibi Godzilla Raids Again. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Chibi Godzilla from Godzilla Raids Again, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to make a circle shape for one eye. Then we're going to leave some space and we'll make that same circle shape about the same size, best you can. Inside of here, we're going to make a large circle that we're just going to color in. And then same thing here, just a large circle that we're going to color in. Next, for like the nose and mouth, let's begin by making a little sad face shape right across here. Then we're going to put two little dots for the nose. For the mouth, let's draw a line that's going to come up and then down and up. Now, I want to make his atomic blast coming out of here. So I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come up and down, up and down, up and down, and then one more. Next, we're going to go down and up and down, and then right back up into here. Next, we'll make a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to curve it up to here. And we'll make a little curve for the tongue. Next, right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of come down and up for an eyebrow. And then another one's just going to come up here. Then we're going to curve this line down. We're going to jump over it and bring it all the way up to here. Now, starting here, we're going to make a little curve here. And we're going to make a little curve right here. Next, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 right here. I'm going to go down here. Then we're just going to kind of jump over here and bring the body down. For the foot, let's just draw an oval shape like this. Then we'll make 1, 2, and 3 little triangles on it. Let's draw a little curved line here. Then we're going to bring this line down with like an oval shape up to here. Then we'll go 1, 2, and 3 little toes. Now right here, we'll bring this line down. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come out. We're going to curve this around to here. Then we're just going to kind of circle this line around. Then we'll connect this line to here for the back. Right here, we'll draw this line down. Make a little bump for the circle, and then we're just going to bring it back up and down. Now for the tail, let's bring this line up and down. Then we're going to go 1, 2, and 3 little points on here. And there you go. There's your drawing of Chibi Godzilla from Godzilla Raids Again. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.